We need to get him moved up a little bit. But the 87, 48, 105, and 121 and 12 have never been in a race car before. So this is going to get interesting. Lights on the car, corner pace truck are out, and that's as good as it's going to get. Green flag, and we're racing. Whoa, we got action already. Tyler Vincentich and the 121 of Caden Lasquet making contact. Hopefully the 25 be able to get that machine fired right back up. As we got debris on the track, going to take just a few minutes to clean it up here at Rockford Speedway. Looks like Tyler Vincentich might have reverse going for him. It doesn't look very good there, unfortunately. All right, so maybe they can get that car fixed. I don't know. All right, lights on the car, corner pace truck are out. As the 87 of Clayton Witt is going to bring the group around. And they're going to bring them around. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. A lot better that time. Into turn one, it's going to be Clayton Witt to try to pull away, and he is. Here comes Chance Lounsbury making it 3 and 4 wide. Chance Lounsbury, first night in that car, is now back up to second place as he got around the 105 of Eric Rodriguez, and the 48 of Adrian Manuel is way up high on that wall. Chance Lounsbury trying to run down our leader, Clayton Witt. He's catching him. He sure is. The 13H of Morgan Mausahund in third place. Here comes your new leader, Chance Lounsbury. Look at that. Clayton Witt in second. As they're coming around again, Lounsbury really turning the power on in that Grand Prix. Morgan Mausahund trying to catch up to Witt now. Oh, Witt's right back there with Lounsbury. Hawkins on the inside of Neiswanger. And the South Elgin drivers are back there battling by themselves. Lounsbury feeling some pressure from Witt now. Five to go, next time by for Chance Lounsbury. Clayton Witt right there to challenge Lounsbury. Oh, Witt's all over the back of Lounsbury. Look out! Rockford Speedway. First time ever in a car, and he wins the High School Racing Association feature. How's Mom doing over there? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to talk to this young man. As he's slowly getting out. We're going to practice social distancing right down here. As is going to go put his COVID-19 mask on. So just hang tight. Hold on, we're going to make as much noise as we can. Earlham High School. South Beloit, Illinois, Signs by Shoes, Wayne's Delivery, No Limit Motorsports, Best Bet Auto, Ridge Runner Racing. Those are the sponsors on this car. Here he comes, make some noise. Chant loudly. Get over here, kid. I gotta talk to you. Are you kidding? Okay. Now, let's see. There we go. Mike's cutting out. You never raced before, and you just won a feature. How are you feeling?
Happy.
What, were you nervous?
Yeah.
It was the 87 of Clayton Witt. He was right behind you, and on the last lap, what had happened to you? I think you got a little loose, or what happened?
I don't know, but I got control and I won.
I know you're excited to see your mom, but who do you want to thank?
My mom, stepdad, and my sponsors, Bet Auto, all of them. I know. What do I got here? I want to thank Chad, Randy, Eric, Christy. We got Steph and Hillary for doing the cave.
Outstanding. I covered your other ones. Chance, good luck. You come back in 2 weeks to race. Congratulations. Once again, make some noise, Rockford Speedway. Chance Lounsbury.